Okay, we have a 2014 Insignia in today, so we're just going to quickly show you what the problem is we're getting. So we've got the hose up behind the rear bumper, and we can see a slight bit of damage under here, where it looks like it's been pushed, so it may have been what's caused the leak. So there we go, so we've got the air vent on the inside there, and as you can see it's running in very heavily. So what that would then do is it would collect in this area, it would then obviously come into the spare wheel holder like it is doing, as well as it would use this as a guide to go underneath the seat, and then it would then get into the footwells. So what I'm going to do is I'll quickly just pause the hose. If we come in on the inside, this is our little machine which tells us if there's any water underneath the carpets. So it's sounding there, so it's telling us there's water underneath the driver's side. Also in the back. Now if we come over to the passenger side, so the passenger side's nice and dry, same as the front as well, so it's only wet down one side so far. So there we go. So obviously to get this all dry, the seat would have to come out, we would have to suck out as much water as we possibly could and then put our super dryer in there. The reason being is because you don't want electrical problems, you don't want mould, and you don't want any odour smells either. So there we go, so that's what we found on that one there. Everything else tested up okay. So there we go.